How to become a super affiliate. Many people have taken the plunge and joined the world of affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing allows you to work for yourself and put your skills, hard work and independence together for you. Success in any business will not happen overnight. It still takes time and effort to get your affiliate marketing scheme up and running. However, if you are persistent, determined and willing to give it your all, affiliate marketing can be the perfect career opportunity for you. To become the so-called super affiliate, you should really follow the advice of other successful affiliates. They have been through what you are and know what they are talking about. One of the first pieces of advice they give is to concentrate on a niche. Don't try to sell everything but the kitchen sink. Concentrate on one thing in the early days. Work out the best way to sell it and get going. Once you have some strategies worked out, you can always expand. When you have built up a storehouse of affiliates, you need to know how to promote. Search engine and the web is usually the best way. If you are confident, then you could try pay per click. However, make sure you understand this well. Many affiliates have gone for his option only to find that their profits have been eaten up. You should take time to know your product and who you're aiming it for. When you understand both well, you begin to build up credibility. People will begin to trust you and what you offer. They will feel much better about giving their business over to you rather than others. This will result in higher sales revenue for you and a much stronger business. Don't be afraid to diversify. Sign up with more than one merchant. Beware of any merchant that wants you to sign up with them exclusively. By using several merchants, you get much more exposure. You are also protecting yourself if one merchant goes under or does not pay. Keep on top of current trends in the market. Be prepared to change if you need to. The world of internet marketing is continually changing. By staying flexible and having a willingness to change, you can make these changes work for you rather than against you. Remember, what was working last month may not be this month. Finally, don't give up. It is true that many of these affiliate marketing schemes do fail. However, the reason isn't due to poor products or ideas. It is because people give up way too soon. It takes time to build any business. Just keep at it. Try to do something every day to promote your business. If you keep it up, you will eventually start to see results. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money and work for yourself. You can put your skills and creative knowledge to work for you and not others. Affiliate marketing does take work. You need to build it up like any other business. However, if you stick to the advice in this article and don't give up, you'll soon find that your business is booming. Affiliate marketing is a great career opportunity. With hard work and determination, you will be well on your way to becoming the super affiliate.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.